So get on your ass off and come down here. Cause rock and roll ain't no rhythm, man. Cause to me it makes good sense. Good sense. Let's go, boys. Ow! Ooh, yeah! Elton Wilson just playing my guitar. You got the very famous cup in the door. Well, the answer to the desert rock and desert shores. Are you deaf? You're down to the boy. Just talk about the future. Forget about the past. It's always been with us. It's never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll will survive. Yes, it will. I took a look inside and back to the door. You look so good lying on my bed. Well, if you asked me if you wanted the rhythm of love, I said, and you want to rock and roll instead. Why just talk about the future? Forget about the past. It's always been with us. It's never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll is just rock and roll. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll will survive. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Oh, rock and roll. It's just a rock and roll, yeah.